So in the last class, we started with the APIs views. Yes, whatever problems in normal serialization, serializers class, model serializer I explained. After that, field validation. Yes, we started Django REST framework views. There are two types of views are there. API view, view set. API view is nothing but just like our FBVs. View set is nothing but CBV, simple thing. Yesterday started basic idea with REST 2 project I started. Instead I created a class test API view and URLs. After that post request also completed. Okay, two completed. Once I will open the project, open Atom. In Atom with REST project 2, views.py, implemented two methods, get and post. Serializer class I implemented. Okay, name equal to 10 I'm given. First, run this project, yesterday project. Go to command prompt. This is browsable APIs, partner application not required. D drive, CD, REST API 6th June, CD with REST class 2. Okay, PY, manage.py, run server. Even the, oh, PY was low, sorry. PY, manage.py run server. Server started. Copy. Come to here, URL. Just what I want to give, API. That's perfect. So SDM given a just message. If it is a get request, just print happy Father's Day only. Yes, here get request it is coming there by default. Content type, okay, everything. This is the web API. Here you need to pass a name. Dictionary can pass a name. Dictionary. I can pass name, something name I provided there. Now, so once you click on the post, yes, post request executed there. Up to here, we completed in our yesterday class. For example, Mary, here I can given a validation. What is the maximum length? 10. Suppose if I'm given more, is it working or not working? I have doubt. Now, name, comma, I'm given a like that. Now, if I send post request, sorry boss, what they're telling, this field has no more than 10 characters. And the validations also working fine. That is the basic idea, sir. It is not related to database because a general program I'm written. Database means models, database, everything. That story, next example, I will tell. Tiskodu. We have to give double quotes only in that one. Browsable API. Now, sir. Now, get to post to. After that, whatever methods are there, put method, delete method, patch method. Okay, done. Def, I want to take as a put method. Put method. First variable self. Second one request. Star args. Star args. Sir Marie, do you know put to delete to patch means compulsory what to do? Some database is there. In the database record is there, then all I can modify. But this is the one general example. That's why I can use general message only. What I want to give is return. What is the class name? Response. What is the purpose of that class? Yes, converting Python dictionary to JSON. That's where response class they are given. That response class is available in where? REST framework response. This is the class. Okay, done. Now give a normal message, dictionary format message. Message colon I am given is this response from which method? Put method of API view. Yes, done. Because why I'm giving general message means there is no records. I'm not able to update. If database is there, table is there, then I will show how to update it. That's a general message I am forwarding. First, your understandable purpose. Port. Next. IO. Come to here. Come to here. Come here. Come here. Sir, after put, what is the method? Delete. Next, patch. So here, this is the delete method calling. This is which method? Patch. Completed. Check the server status. Everything is fine. Now, send the request. Yes, check it now carefully. Delete came, post came, put came, patch came. All are came. So this is called as browsable API. It is to test my application. Previously, test.py is their partner application. From there, I am testing. So first, post. Chundi, get method. What is the get method I'm given? Happy Father's Day. Sorry, instead of that, happy Father's Day every day, same I'm taking instead of that. Happy New Year 2023. Now, I want to give yes. Do you want to get request changed? Happy New Year. Oh, two times chana. Okay. Sorry. Now, refresh. First by default get request Happy New Year came. Now in the post request, can I send the name or not? Yes. You can send a name colon Sunny. Now post request. Now check it what they're telling. Hello Sunny. Happy Father's Day na. Okay. In the post method that is there. Okay. ఇదిగోండి ఇక్కడ ఏమి ఇచ్చాము? Happy Father's Day. Happy New Year. Now refresh. Happy New Year. Given name colon Sunny. Post. Happy New Year came. Yeah. Now, what is the next method? Put method. Put means, sorry, am I contacting database? No kada. Empty. What is the meaning of empty JSON? Because curling braces means if I'm given data, JSON data, empty. Observe. When I'm clicking on port, which method it is calling? Check it, please. Is it calling put method or not? Yes, calling. Now, come to which one? Patch. Give empty. Patch. Which method it is calling? Patch method. If I'm given data, data will update to the database. That is the next level. I will check it. Next, delete. Do you want to delete this API? Yes. Which function it is calling? Delete function. So all methods are implemented. Get, post, put, patch, delete. So that is the way of using first process. What is the first process? Two processes are there. One is API view. Second view. That is one. The API view. So in views.py, just to take these codes are enough. Put method, delete method. So this is the way how to implementing our API view. ముందే ఎందుకు లేదు లేకుండా ఎందుకు ఇస్తాడు రెండు చాలాసార్లు చెప్పాను నేను ఆల్రెడీ. నాట్ ఆల్ రికార్డ్స్ అబౌవ్. In single record, if you want to go with all fields, put method. Partial implementation, partial updation, then I go with patch. I will explain with examples. Okay, now. Sir, now next. Sir, first one is done. What it is first one? API view. What is the second one? View set, sir. View set. It is the one class. Sir, in already we know in API view, whatever methods are there, get method, post method, put method, patch method, and delete method. Mari, in view set, whatever methods are there, first method is list. What is the purpose of list? What is the list? To get all the records or all resources. Second one, retrieve. So these are all the predefined methods, because I'm telling now it is just like CBV. Only we can use those methods only. These are all HTTP related methods. These are model related database technologies. These are affected directly to the database. Now, retrieve means to get a specific record. Then I need to go to the retrieve method. Next, create. This thing already we know. It is to create a resource. To create a new resource. Fourth one, update. It is to update a resource. Next, partial update. This is the one method. Partial update. Next, what is the method? Destroy. It is to delete the resource. Now, here we are using get. Here we can use list. And what it is? Retrieve. Here I can go with post. Here, create. Here I can use put method. Here I'm using patch. Here I'm using delete. Here I'm using the story of view set ki and API views ki mapping. So in API view already implemented all the methods: guest, post, put, patch, delete. In view set, I have to implement these methods: list, retrieve, create, update, partial update, and destroy. We can update it. Next, sir, when view set are best choice? When we go for view sets, because two are there in my hand. API view is there, view set is there. When we go for the view set to develop the APIs, if we want to develop a simple CRUD-based interface to our database. More customization is not possible. Whatever available there, those only we can use. We want to use simple APIs and fast APIs within 1 or 2 minutes. If you want to develop, then that is possible here. If we want to develop simple and quick API to manage predefined objects, then view set is the best suitable one. And if you want to perform only standard operations with very less customization, means client is asking more customized complex problems, then it is not possible. Just like previously I'm telling FBV, CBV only. FBV is nothing but API view. CBV is nothing but views. View set, whatever is there, that you can use it. More customization not possible. So now, if we want to perform only standard operations with very less or no customization, then we need to go to the view set. And one more thing is there, if we are not performing any complex operations, like we are using third-party APIs like that, then view set is the best suitable one. But how to implement this view set? Okay, come to here. Present this is class is there. Test API view. Here get method, post method, today put, delete, patch implemented. Take another class. Another class. The class name is test view set. Internally, what is the parent class? Previous get which API view. Ipudaite which class? View set. View set is the class, parent class. In the country, we are doing APIs with view set. If you want to use this one, import is required. From test app. REST underscore framework dot view sets. Import. What is the class? View set. Give that view set is the parent. What is the first method? Get. Get is in API view. Ikkada first method, what it is? List, retrieve, create, update, partial update, destroy. Ivi methods, predefined method. Adi API view aithe ivi get to, post, put to, patch, delete. We are using view set kabatti first method list method. So def, what is the method? List. Inside you can provide self, comma, another variable request. Yeah. Now inside, take same example, enough. Colors equal some red, yellow, green, white. Message equal to Happy New Year 2023. Colors I can provided there. This is the views. Simple view I am implementing. Then what to do next? URL is required for this view. Save this. Open the URLs. This one commented because it's not API. But sir, in this URLs, observe carefully. There is one concept is there here. In case of view set, one predefined concept is there. What is the concept? A router concept. Previously, we are given the URLs mapping manually. And previous example, I am given API, my own URL, views and test API views available there. Now, there is one concept is there router. router will map our view to URLs automatically. That is the specialty of the view set. Router will map view. What is view? Our view. Idi mana view. Test view. Okay. This view can be mapping to URLs automatically. So what is that class means? Default router class. Default VUTER. This is one predefined class. By using that class, we have to create object. Automatically, your view will be pointing to your URLs. Then one browsable API will be created there. Check it carefully, URLs. You have to import it. What to do? Same. From REST framework dot what it is? Routers. Everything built in and import. What is the class name? Default router. That is a class. Create object. How to create object? Class name with parenthesis. Give reference. My reference is I am given what it is. Router. Sir, is any name you can give? Okay. This is fixed class name. Class name with parenthesis means object creation. Once object created to my class reference variable, I am given as a router. Simple name you can give R also. No problem. Now, I am given router. Yeah. Now, I want to register our view. So, what is your reference variable? Router. Dot. What is the command? Register inside. So, at the time of registration, what is your view name? Man view enti views dot test view set. This is the view. What URL you want to display to that? Okay. Any name. Sir, here if I given Mahesh, valid, no problem. But I am testing view set. That's why I'm given test hyphen view set I am given. So ante what happened means whenever run the program, object got created. This router will be registered. This is our view or not? Yes. Our view will be registered with this name. Automatically, whenever start the server, that URL will be mapping. So here one more third variable is there. What it is? Base name. What is the base name? This one only. Whatever you are given that name. This is for redirecting like that. In next level, I want to redirect some URL. That will be pointing to that one. That is later on we will see. Present view set will be executed. It is the just like your API point. But whenever start the server, this is the address. This address I want to give to that. Okay. Don't give anything, give blank. Sir, if I am given blank, what is the meaning of blank? My server address or not? Server address. This one, this address only, server address only, direct address. Whenever I'm given this address, my router will take care of everything. How? You can include. What is the purpose of include? Include means application level URLs I'm including to project level. Then I can use include. Sir, whenever I'm using include, compulsory you can import that. Import. What it is? Comma include. So include inside what it is? Your reference variable router dot what you want to go? URLs. So when I'm given direct URL, this address, check the server. Server is fine. Sir, when I'm given this address, now it is coming to empty. His include router.urls. What is the router? This one. What I registered? This one I registered with our API name. Here any name you can give, but whatever name you were given, same name give to your base name also. Completed. Now come to your views here. It is the which one? List ante get request. It is equivalent to our get request. Now check the server status. Fine. So don't give API and all those things. API is invalid because I'm commented. Only give this one only. Enter. Yes. Check it now. Which one I executed? The default basic root view for what it is? Default root. Next, I want to create my own also. The name I'm given a test view set, that name. This URL. Hyperlink came. What is it is? If you click on hyperlink, that is a get request. Get request means that is I'm given a happy new year something. That will come check it. By default, which request it is? Get. Once you click on this link, clicking on hyperlink, which one? Get request. Click it. Happy New Year 2023. Colors red, yellow, green, white. Something came. Same thing I can apply to model database. Database I inserted records. Once I click on get request list, it will display all the records. Present there is no database. From there I am taken normal response. This response I am taken. This is called as redirect URL. Direct URL how to give I will tell that process. Default router I am using. My customized URL how to give that I will show. That is also possible. This is by default router I am using here. Normal router database is there, models is not there, model series is not there. That's a problem. I'm directing accessing to from view function kada. That is the problem. Normally the angel manu class given as the as underscore view serial a story undali database undali. There is no database, no records, no serialization, and I'm given direct router URL. That process I will show how to give this style. How to give our as view, our own API also I will show. Because this is direct example, not possible. So now this is the view. Check it here. View already done. URLs. In the URLs, you can import default router, give URL and include. Sir, actually, if I am registering this URL, if I am given this one, okay, I referred nodes, yes, and there everything. It is taking nearly 1 hour time. How to give direct URL. Normal our program, it is okay. Simple matter. Dini find out chedaki, I am taken 1 hour time. Run jesi. They are given documentation. Documentation also they are not given properly. Document they are given simple router, class names. I am reading. Okay. Sorry. They are given base name. Sometimes they are telling base name optional. I removed, not working. Always they are creating simple router. But the problem is finally find out simple router. These are all their own sets. As we unda leda. This is their own views. How to give default router? They are not mentioned anywhere. This is the complete documentation. Next level, we are using this type of serializers. These things we know very easy. Okay. URL set chedake 1 hour it is taken time. This one. How to register, how to include this one. So now go on URLs .py. This is the URL you have to give. Sorry, first method completed. How many methods are there? Retrieve. update, partial update. Create means post. Sorry. Take create method first. One by one, I will finish it. Create. Sir, method names fixed. Create. Inside, self, second variable, request. Create means just passing name kada. Your post method, same code or not? Same code. Copy paste. Sir, why are you doing these many lines of code? Means it is not database related. It is not model serializer. Compulsory you have to write because normal program. Hello, name, happy new year, status code, create method. Save this. You won't do anything, save it. Come to here. Now previously only this get is there. Refresh your request. Refresh. Then post related web API will come. Click it. Yeah, post came. Yes. Now first by default get what it is. Happy New Year. Now give name. Name colon Mahesh. Now post. Yes. Hello Mahesh. Happy New Year came. That is the thing. Just now I'm validating. Here serializers are there. Only 10 characters name should be. If we given more, not accepted. Name. Name colon post. What they're telling? Minimum 10 characters only, maximum. So that is the post request. This is the way of, create. In the view set, names will be changes, list, create. Second method, create method. After create, next, whatever available there, retrieve. Is going to retrieve, update. After that, partial update, destroy. Simple. Now, def, what is the method, sir? Update. Update or retrieve, sorry. Retrieve. Inside, self, comma, request, comma, pk. What it is? Primary key. I want to retrieve data. Retrieve data means compulsory you have to pass one ID. Adi if you want to list, no need. All records. But here, I'm not interacting with the database. That's why I'm given pk equal to none because there is no database, no pk values. That's why I'm given none. Once the data is there, how to give I will show. Now, this response return cheyandi. Copy, paste. This response from which one? Retrieve. Method of which one idi? View set, not API view. Completed method. Now, because database is not there, that's why casual messages I am forwarding. After retrieve, update. After update, one retrieve, update. This is update method. This is partial update. This is partial update. This is destroy or delete. Completed all. Check it in view set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 methods. List I know display. Create okay, but retrieving update not possible. That's when normal messages I am forwarding. Now create. Even the create already done now. He is asking that. Nirankar already implemented create method here. Check it. List to create completed. Retrieving updation partial destination not possible. That's why I'm to refresh. Yeah, by default, get method API root default router. Click this as Happy New Year. How many are there? Only post is there. మరి retrieve కావాలంటే if you want to go with primary key అంటే send one number something. ఇదిగోండి created put patch delete. Now ఇదిగో whenever I'm given one primary key value, which method it is calling? Return time retrieving method first one that is calling. Now put to give empty. It should be called which method? Update method. Now if I want to give empty JSON patch, which method it is calling? Partial update. Patch means partial update. Delete. It is calling destroy method of user. So Ravi browsable APIs atla we have to create without database. Just we should getting clarity. Okay, how to call the methods, how we are providing browsable APIs by using the view set. This story. Then we have to implement it with the help of models. Create model, migrations, make migrate, insert data. First function list. What is the meaning of the list? To display all the records. Retrieve a particular record. Next, update. You can update a record. Next, partial update. Some fields you have to update. Full updation. So you can think the story normal. We need to take data. Then in data, I can write very simple code. That is the basic idea how to give the views with the help of API view and view set. So now, generally we are did so many projects in our Django. No Django project you uploaded na pythonanywhere.com. What is the URL? HTTP pythonanywhere.com. Yeah. Sir, he is created a project, Subbu projects. He uploaded pythonanywhere.com deployment already we know. Yes, if you click on Hyderabad jobs, very good Hyderabad jobs displayed. If you click on Pune, very good Pune jobs. If I click on Bangalore, Bangalore jobs you are getting. These things already you know. So you are implemented one project. Assume this terminology carefully. My project implemented Mahesh jobs projects. Inside again Mahesh jobs projects folder there. Inside what it is available? Settings.py ani, urls.py ani, inka something available there. Next what it is? test app. Inside test app, views.py అని, models.py అని, ఇంకా admin అని, so many are. This is the architecture, our project architecture. Okay, done. So these things already, you did so many applications, you created project, inside project application there, project level settings, URLs, views, models are there. Now, we develop one Django project. One Django project. You are deployed. Client using that project. So, end user can use our application like that. How he is deployed? He deployed. I am end user. I am sending request Subbu 143. I am getting. I am using. Okay, fine. Now, up to this, your role is, what is your role? What is the role of our? We are developing, what we are developing? Application only we are developing. But end user will give one request through browser, then only he can access it. Suppose end user using any partner application, either mobile or Java or desktop or any Python test.py, different application, he is not able to access. Only once you give an URL, this URL only he can be access the application. If he using any mobile application or desktop application or anything, he is not able to use that application. Now, 1 week onwards, we are developing. What we are developing? We have to develop, what we have to develop? APIs. API to my application. Give this API whenever he can join with mobile or desktop, any application, he can access to my services. If we want to develop API, and now our role will become as a, which one? API developers. Okay, fine. Sir, generally in the views, what we are writing? Total business logic, application related logic. If I click on Hyderabad jobs, Babu, you have to display Hyderabad job. If I click on Pune jobs, you can display. Sir, whenever clicking on button means background, what it is working? Views only. In the views, whatever code you are written, it is working. Ante total the business logic to develop this application will be written. Now, sir, in test API, all are available there. Now, after that same test API, I want to create one more file. What it is? API. API means a separate file I created. Inside API, what I declared? Views. Inside URLs. What is this URLs? Our API URLs. What is the views? Every day I'm writing view, not this view. You got this total view. Is it related to your application functionality? No. API related functionality. It is not at all disturb to your Django application. Yes or no? Yes. I created separate. Check it here. Your test app and your Django application business logic is available. This views.py. This models. I am not touching your application. I created my own API, views, URLs. In this views, I can write the business logic for our application, API related. So for a client is asking, "Hey, Baba, I don't want API." Okay, sir, sorry. Deleted. Is it any affected to your application? No. Your jobs application as it is available there. So like that, next level what to do? In our Django application, I have to create APIs. I am given to the client. If client not asking APIs, remove that part to give total application. These APIs are not affected to your existing functionality. That is the advantage of APIs, main concept. What is this API means? Tomorrow the client may be given as a mobile application, Java application, Python, .NET, any application will work out. Sir, I don't want API, sir. Directly I'm using URL. Okay, done. Remove this part. Give dejunk application to the client. My job will be completed, sir. The story of API. ఏది చేసుకున్నా it is affected to your views, your URLs, your models only. This total thing available there, API. Sir, ikkade I have models are there or not? Tomorrow I deleted all these nonsense. Am I disturbing your application? No. I am API developer. I created my APIs to your application. If you require, you can add, give to the client. If you don't want, remove that part, give total application. Completed. That is the concept of our API implementation to existing application. Adi రాయాలి మనం API code. దీనికి separate views, URLs, models we are creating. The difference between API view and what it is? View set. Yes, what is the difference? API view is just like FBV, customize everything we have to customize. View set is not possible to customize, already it is available there. Whatever functions are there, like these are all the functions available in view set. List, retry, create, update, partial update, destroy. These are all the HTTP methods. These are all the database related methods, model based methods. It is directly affected to the models. These are affected to HTTP functionalities. Okay, any more? In API views, we have to map the URLs manually. But view set automatically, router concept is there. It will be mapping URLs to our application. Okay. Very complex problems we can resolve in API view, but view set not possible. In view set, we can implemented simple APIs within less time, but it is take more time. But we have to do more customization. In API views, I know complete execution flow from where to where it is going. But view set, I don't know. Final output will come. Internal how it is working, I don't know. So the code will be very less here. Here the code will be very. Check it, sir. I've given one. I will give a logo. I will share these notes for you. That available there. Differences between API view and REST view. Sir, API view present in REST underscore framework dot views module. It is available in REST underscore framework dot view sets. Here HTTP related methods are there like get, post, put, patch, delete. Here methods are we know just now discussed list, update, partial update, destroy. We have to map URLs explicitly, but here by using default router, we can map. Most of the business logic we have to write explicitly. Here everything is available internally. We can use automatically. Length of the code is more. Length of the code is less. API development take more time. It is taking less time. Okay. Developer has complete control over the logic because I am writing the logic completely. I know everything. But here logic will be there. I don't know how it is working internally. But final output, I will reach it. If you want to display output, I will show. I can display all the records. 2 lines I am written. Total data will come. How it is coming, I don't know. But here I will write query set employee.objects.all that converted to dictionary, convert to JSON, send. I know complete flow here. But here I don't know complete flow, but I can get the output. Now, clear execution flow is possible. Execution flow is not possible. Complex operations possible here. Complex operations are not possible. That is the differences between What it is? API view and view set, sir. Now, up to now, I am given general examples. Get, post, same thing. I want implemented two models. Now, demo application on API view with models. Models means story started, database, insert data, retrieve data, and all those things. Check it carefully. Stop the server. Now go to the back. CLS. Yes. Now create a project. Django-admin. Start project. What is our project name? With REST C3. CD with REST C3. PY. Start app. Test app. Done. Created. Now next, add. Go to here. Close all this with C3. Now open settings. First one you have to add REST underscore framework, third party application. Next, our application, test app, added. Next, database required kabatti go to the models. Go to here, models. Now, class, employee class, inside models dot model admin, model only, employee number, models dot character field, max length, database kabatti give more. Employee number entity integer field. Kya Subbareddy? Integer field. Employee name, models dot character field, max length. Next, employee models dot float field, employee address, models dot character field, max length 64. Class ready. Next, admin.py. In admin, admin, yeah, here from test app dot models import employee. Now what to do? Class employee admin. Now admin dot model admin. What is the variable? List underscore display. Instead, I want to give ID, employee number, employee name, employee salary. Sorry, comma missing the code. Comma, employee salary, employee address. Now, what to do? Admin dot site dot register inside employee admin, sir. This story already we know. ID they are generated. If you give an ID, then all it will be displayed in the table. Otherwise, it won't display. Tarvata py manage.py make migrations. Done. Next, migrate. Done. Next, manage.py create super user. Yes, mail ID abc@.com. Password Mahesh123. Again, password Mahesh123. Create super user. Successfully created. Now, py manage.py run server. Server started successfully. Copy this. Paste. And go to admin interface. Employee there. Now, add the data. Employee number 100. Employee name. Odle. Daily name. Raghava. Address. Address is Lanka. Lankula Ravana కదా ఉండేది. But present is in forest na. Forest. Next, add one more 200. Employee name Janaki. Salary 15,000. Address same. Present now forest na. He take na. She is in Lanka. Next, another employee Ravana. E salary 18,000. He is in Lanka. Fourth employee 400. Ravana sister, she is also in Lanka. Okay, 100, 200, 300, 400 employees are available there. Sir, up to here we know very well employee models admin. Now what to do? I want to implement first get method. And first API view I can implemented. That is converted to next view set. API view kavalante first we have to go to which one? Serializers. Because I want to do direct changes into the model. So serializers.py file you can take. Where it is test app. Right click, new file. Serializers.py. Here from rest underscore framework dot serializers import no model serializer directly database affecting instead of serializer. Okay, now take a class name your wish, employee serializer. Inside what you have to give? Model serializer. Next, get method any views lo serializer lo entidi class meta. What is the model? Employee. Where employee is there? From test app models import employee. So model equal to employee. Next, yes, fields equal to sir underscore all. Completed. Enough 3 lines of code. Yesterday we discussed the same thing. This is the model serializer. Next, what to do? Views. Come to the views. Yeah. View. Yes, tell. Take class. Employee, all employees. List API view, not view set. I want to go API view. Compulsory import. What is that import, sir? From REST underscore framework dot views. Import API view. Give that class API view. Yes, given. Next, get method. Def get method. Inside here to give self, comma, request, comma. Next variable is format. What it is, I will tell. Format equal present, I'm not taking anything, none. Self request, we know self is pointing to current class object. I'm getting one request. I will give the response. What to do? All employees details I can require. How to read all employees? Ante employee dot objects dot all. Once I am reading what it is, query set. This query set you have to create a object, serializer object. Serializer. How to give the serializer object? What is our serializer? Employee serializer. Instead, what you can pass? Query set. Query set contain how many records? So many. SDM take many equal to true. Next, what to do? Return. What I want to return? Response. Ledhu kabatti, where response is available there? Sorry, employee serializer also you want to import from test app dot serializers import employee serializer. లేదా employee కూడా yeah from test app dot models import employee. ఇంకోటి response class from rest underscore framework dot response import. What is the class name? Response. Rest and framework dot response. Yes. All came. Yes. Return response. What I want response? Serializer dot data. Completed code. So previously how much code I'm written? Now simple, sir. In this, first I'm reading all object. Sending this one to serializer. It is converting to Python dictionary. This Python dictionary converted to JSON data. Who is responsible? Responsible. Oh, only 3 lines of code. Your code is completed. Next, what to do? URL. Send the request. How simplified the code? Previously, you written n number of lines code. Now, sir, these things already you know. Only time taking process. Model you know. Okay. That's the first time telling complicated word. Serializer you know. Forms same like that. Now views. Reading data. Convert to dictive. Again send it to JSON. Declare URLs. Now this is our URL. API kabatti you have to give mapping URL URLs. ఇక్కడ ఇంక్లూడ్ ఎందుకు మాన్యువల్ అంటే ఫ్రమ్ టెస్ట్ యాప్ ఇంపోర్ట్ వ్యూస్. Yeah, give this one. I want to give API. Here views dot, what is our view? Employee list API view dot as underscore view, sir. completed, sir. Total code. Only the models, admin, serializers, just a model I'm taken. View only get method. I'm reading all the data, creating serializer object, and sending the data as a JSON response. Whether it is correct or not correct. Server is fine. Copy the URL address. This is the admin. Now paste give API. Am I getting total data? First record, second record, third record, fourth record. By default, it is which one? Get. Allow we have to write one by one. Code very simple code only. After get whatever methods are there. By using API post method. Here post will come. After that, put, delete. You have to delete. Previously py test.py I'm sending. Now from browser only I'm sending the request. Where? JSON means JSON format will be displayed here like this, dictionary format. Okay. It is in the dictionary from the employee first record. Okay. You go ID second record, third record. So which format you want, that format will be displayed. JSON aithe JSON, API aithe, if you want to display API. Options and this one employee list description, those will be displayed. Parse or something application related. I can require API format. Data will be displayed. Internal settings application, those are coming. Na? Name, employee list API, description empty, renders, application JSON, text HTML, application related. Those things it is coming. This is employee list API. So that is the way of retrieving the all records. Atla we have to implement one by one methods. This is views.py. This is urls.py. Then send the request. That is the process, sir. That is the story of API view set view, model with API. Just I'm reading all the details. Next to how to retrieve particular record, how to create, how to update, those things I will tell.
Recording stopped.
Previous ga asla not mandatory. Not mandatory. In that also is written program. Na, those are not mandatory. Ikkada also I'm not given here. Just I'm given directly whatever given. Request self format. Go. What is that format? I will explain that thing. అయిపోద్దా by this weekend this course 1 2 3 4 days ఉంది 4 into 8.